Meaning of functionary.
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 Functionary. The word functionary refers to a person who holds a low or middle-ranking position in an organization or government and is responsible for carrying out administrative or routine tasks. These individuals are often seen as bureaucrats or civil servants, rather than leaders or decision-makers. Functionaries are typically expected to adhere to established rules and procedures, and may not have much autonomy or discretion in their work. They play a supportive role in maintaining the smooth operation of an organization or government, but may not be as influential or well-known as those in higher-ranking positions.